Before the video starts, I just wanted to show my support in the Black Lives Matter movement. I found a couple of resources that list out a couple of ways that we can make a change. Feel free to pause if you need to. Hi guys, it is Gabrielle Ishell here, and the sun is really blazing today. It's so hot out here, but I wanted to show you guys how I was able to do my own DIY terrarium. And if you guys don't know what a terrarium is, it is just a collection of various cacti and succulents. So I'm going to be showing you that in my tutorial. Since I wasn't able to fit all the succulents inside the big glass container, I did 2 of these mini terrariums. I'll be listing out all the items that I bought and where I purchased them at in my tutorial. So if you are interested, stay tuned and we are going to get this tutorial on the road. For this terrarium, you will need a glass vessel, white pebbles, activated charcoal, potting soil, stones, of course plants, and gardening tools. You can find a glass container anywhere. I found mine at Dollar Tree. Stones are used at the bottom of the terrarium to serve as a water drainage for the plant's roots to make sure that the excess water doesn't stay in the soil and cause rotting. I also got these from the Dollar Tree. Next, you'll add activated charcoal. You'll just need a thin layer to help keep water fresh and fight off bacteria growth. I got my activated charcoal from my local nursery that was closing last year, so I got it for a discount. Then you'll follow it up with potting soil, and this is a very important layer. There are various types of soils that you can choose from, but I chose potting soil because it's affordable, it comes with nutrients, and it is sterilized, so no bacteria or bugs. I got this from Walmart. And of course, a terrarium isn't a terrarium without plants. I got these plants for about $10 at Walmart, and it came in a pack of 6. Here you will see me removing the excess dirt from the plants and being very careful to not disturb the roots. When I have finished planting my succulents, I'll add a layer of colorful stones. And I'm saving the best looking ones for last. I clearly missed a frame for this one, but no worries, you'll see it again at the very end. I couldn't fit all the succulents into the larger terrarium, so I opted for 2 smaller ones. I'm just using the wee yogurt glass containers. I have like 20 of them sitting in my garage waiting to be used. I'm glad that I put this to good use. And I'm just following the same steps that I did with the larger terrarium. It is important to display your terrarium in a spot that has a lot of bright indirect sunlight, and you want to make sure that you're watering it once every week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!